Hey guys, it's your girl Shareen Nicole back with another video of a little bit of everything. So we're just going to jump right into this. I just wanted to come back and show you guys the waist trainer. I'm sorry, I didn't even think about showing you guys what it looked like. So here's a part 2. I've been wearing it. So you can see like it has a lot of boning on the inside. It's a really good. Hasn't broke on me yet. I wore it for like a week on and off here and there. So you can see this is how the whole thing looks. It is a size large. It says USA large. Alright, and then it comes with these two hooks right here, so you can hang it up, you know, I guess when you wash it and stuff. You can air dry it, because you can't put it in the dryer. It's got 3 rows. 3-row clasp. I hope you guys can see this. The sun is really bright right now in my window. So you see, this is what I was talking about in the first video. The clasps could be a lot thicker. Like if you buy them in the US, the clasps are a lot thicker. They're not this thin, so you have more durability. But so far so good. I've only had it on the first row, and the first row seems to be doing just fine. Nothing's coming out of place yet. So, and this is on the other side. I'll show you the hooks right here. So you can see the hooks. They don't look warped or anything. Not yet. At least not yet. So those are the hooks going on there. And then I'll show you the outer part so you can see the material, which is clearly like a latex rubbery material. Hopefully you can catch that on camera, that you can see the rubber material. And it's a really good quality. Like, it's really really good. So overall, this is how it looks. Once again, this is a USA large. I did get this on AliExpress. I believe it was like $16 or $17. I left the link below in the first video. Let's get wasted. Even though it was just waist training I was talking about. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this on camera, because I'd be needing a mirror and stuff. But I already have my bra on, so you see how I just really pull like this. Because I don't have a mirror, I can't quite see what I'm doing. And then you just want to hook the first one or whatever. I wish I had a mirror. Guys, this is hard to do on camera. Oh, yep, this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna give it one more try. But you just pull, you squeeze and pull, and then you clasp it on. I can't see what I'm doing right now, guys, and these things are in the way. So like I said, you will just pull as hard as you can, reach it over, and then of course you'll reach the other end over. So you want to make sure it's in the center. So you can pull and pull on this side, and they come together. So it's not that difficult. You just need a lot of upper arm strength, and then you just clasp all the way down. So if you want to start from the top, you can. Some people like to start from the bottom. The bottom is easy too. If you start from the skinniest part of your waist, you would just do like this. You see how easier that was? And then you can just, now that one I could see. So you could clasp like that, and then keep going up and up and up, pulling it to the center part. I'm going to attempt this. I'm going to attempt this. Like I said, these girls are in the way. But for you guys, I can't see it. I could only see the first 2 hooks. Oh my god. And then you just pull down, and then you would just pull together. See, like thumb to thumb. So that's it, guys. I can't go all the way without a mirror, but you get the idea. And then you pull it all the way down. You're not going to button it all the way up here. As you go on and on and on, you pull down and down and down. And that's it. I'll come back and show you how it looks finished. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. So I buttoned it all the way up. It was so much easier right in front of the mirror. It was like 1, 2, 3. Because you can see exactly where you're hooking what to what. But because this is on camera, I can't quite see what's going on there. So the same thing like last time. I'll show you the back. All the way around. Comes like right here, gives you a nice little swoop. In the back, as you can see now, the girls are popping out. But like I said, it holds them up pretty good. If you don't want it right up under here and it's a little too high, just pull the front down some. And then it's not so high up. Like you can see, this is where my bra starts. And then here's where the waist trainer starts. So it's right up under the underwire. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you you get into it semi. And here's the initial final review of it. I think it's good to be bought in China. I think it's really, really good. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Like, share this video. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.